Poma, Monyam Musamu Yan for my and Chamu coat and Snababy Amotino and Didi Woho. Now a Jimmy for now we didn't call for a cheek. Baby Amonson. Now ya war is legon. Ya war cantonment. Oh, sorry, no pana, no for flask. Oh, my mere Diana Tibia Gum, Oquanwedi, Ohonson. Oh, Yeni ba, oh, Cotedia, baby, I can tell a Tediani. See, I out social media here, and the budget and the food is expensive. So I'm not thinking so. Because I'm paying Abama Spanish Nibi Edin girl Nena. Are you okay? Camera and the boy say, Mike and the boy is saying, but still me support to me. Your person want to me winnie. Want to me winnie. Your metro could tell me support to me. Maybe I will man for and I tell you what I do me and family home. Me say I want Wontumi to win and become the national chairman of the MPP. Me person winnie. Oh winnie we are not mature could tell me support to Wontumi there. My boy Wontumi campaign so and you nyina wa mama sika o mama kapre but me support no. De bia me bodo nyum no. De bia me bo Wontumi nyum no. Me support Wontumi akopre so Wontumi be winnie national chairman. All these things. Share the eba no. Baomia, symposia and symposium around the nation. Ekache say dollar na ewo 2.8 no, or betam the about 1. Ye we na dollar na 18. Cause I'm paying you say say ever to me mano. Ade ba ko time and them sorry ye say chairman Wontumi a launch the campaign song. Wa launch the campaign song. Campaign song already there obey national chairman of the MPP. Ye the penno. Me say your panel, but I make a reason to your panel. Now, or be the national chairman, we are make sure my good to pay my own to me. Me pay my own to me. Me I want chairman Wontumi to be the NPP national chairman. But I make sure reason to me pay my own to me. But chairman Wontumi we are not sure reason to me pay my own to me. The bear man on Bekasa. Yes, sorry, yes, see, chairman Wontumi so I launching the campaign song. Just a go for my Jimmy. Party of intellectuals. Now when you're Sala cow, the two thing. Oh, don't suffer the two. I say a Maggie. No one chilling with Jimmy. Now, yeah, sorry, I say party night there. Chairman Wontumi be national chairman. You bet your skirt mankind into a launching campaign. Chairman Wontumi a launch campaign. It's Chairman Wontumi campaign.
Omayan speaking one voice. Let's direct ourselves and vote for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Is the future of Ghana. So we are going to vote massively for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. May God bless you all. I love you.
Wontumi, MPP May. Wontumi, Bukruduma. Wontumi, NPP May. Chama Wontumi Leko. Ono ani epe. Montumano, MPP me. Montumano, Ukruduma. Montumano, NPP ma. Chama Wontumi leko. Ono ani ebe. Ose. Hey, chama Wontumi. Ejumanye, sikanye, kosonye, sikanye, mputunye, MPP national.
Hey!
Wontumi, chama Wontumi oh.
Two. And the year, Chamai. Chamai.
Montumano, NPP ma. Chama Wontumi leko. Ono ani ebe. Ose.
Yeah. Chamai.
Hey, chama Wontumi. Ejumanye, sikanye, kosonye, sikanye.
Chamai.
MPP national chama. Wontumi, chama Wontumi oh. MPP national chama. Oh no be. I'm for the journey to Asoti.
Aka kyerɛ mo sɛ sɛ mpimfo bɛ sɛ mudi nkwasɛ sɛ mo satiri Kumase me deɛ wontumi a ne ɛpɛ sɛ sɛ adɛ me support wontumi owini wie a no mɛkyerɛ ade kɔdi a me support ro amanfo no gyimi tu apipi awurade hwɛ ɔma gyimi style biara bi meka mo sɛ medidi ɔmatam ɔma gyimi tu ɛyi ase nwum bi but still me support wontumi yɛpɛ sɛ wontumi wini Wontumi wini wi a mɛkyerɛ ade kɔdi a me support wontumi media we manfo and atari general what are you doing me and family ho me say I want Wontumi to win and become the national chairman of the MPP me person wini wi na ma kyerɛ ade kɔdi a me support Wontumi ndɛ ma bɔ Wontumi campaign so anwum nyina wa ma me sika o ma me kapre but me support no de bia me bɔ de nwum no de bia me bɔ Wontumi nwum no me support Wontumi akɔpɛ sɛ Wontumi be wini national chairman wini wi a na fe ma kyerɛ ade kɔdi a me support Wontumi me na metumi kyerɛ figure Mahamudu Baomia benya e wɔ the primaries mu me na me kyerɛ the only figure and I'm getting it right me say mema Wontumi wini wi na ma kyerɛ ade kɔdi a me support Wontumi wo deɛ wonim deɛ ba
Waya wagadrini, waya kalaburani, waya dargani, waya dishonest person.
The corrupt attitude of the Nam Kroma.
Evil and devil.
Okita anti-party behavior.
Waya dishonorable person.
Bapolanti. Oni okansema. Ni yire fini ho.
MPP wato aduane ama obia.
Oye ni brefo.
An ungrateful and unpatriotic leader. That is Kennedy Japan for you.
Asin dumping destroyer. Adwene kita na nya adwen papa.
Ontiapo in the first place.
Ana ha, ono kwana na homa atie. Bapola. Psychological me hu sa onya ni papa. We are indisciplined. We are dishonest. We are unpatriotic. So we are done in 278. Nkusie ne ekokote ne kankane ne dabo ne ponchi ne dam no. Obwa oni hu ema yewe ochre yebetindi nkutwaye oduru ha no de frat ochre metima ma ye de nkate aye
Sa nipa no onye famfu
central for sign na ufa o madwuma me yegimifo ntimi bisa gimifo questions wo ye hungry pig wo de didi awi nkrofo ntade nyina afra mo timi bisa gimifo questions wo ye hungry pig wo de didi awi nkrofo ntade nyina afra emotional intelligent crowd timi bisa gimifo questions wo ye hungry pig wo de didi awi nkrofo ntade nyina afra emotional intelligent crowd ni bi na start religious war e wo kroma because of say wanya dementia nti won kan say won start here and gwase ni to wo timi kase ba wo mia timi bisa gimifo questions wo ye hungry pig wo de didi awi nkrofo ntade nyina afra emotional intelligent crowd ni bi na start religious war e wo kroma because of say wanya dementia nti won kan say won start here and gwase ni to wo timi kase pull him down person. PhD na ukitano. Your friend pull him down. And the Japan, Wontumi mama ye MPP presidential candidate and apparent. Man nan winning that because we know you are nobody. Ghana president in Fatao. Who are born? Who now who are doing more to talk at Owonu? A more to turn to Kruno. We are empty. And no more Mudina Chiniso to sound one. Omina empty. Into a money Canadian Venantia. Now, one or no one. Who now who are doing more to talk at Owonu? A more to turn to Kruno. We are empty. And no more Mudina Chiniso to sound one. Omina empty. Into a money Canadian Venantia. Now, one or no one. Who am I, a friend? A boss on a crown. Oh, I didn't change Nipana Mudina Chiamos on the MPP. Who now who are doing more to talk at Owonu? A more to turn to Kruno. We are empty. And no more Mudina Chiniso to sound one. Omina empty. Into a money Canadian Venantia. Now, one or no one. Who am I, a friend? A boss on a crown. Oh, I didn't change Nipana Mudina Chiamos on the MPP. Now, one or no one. Who am I, a friend? A boss on a crown. Oh, I didn't change Nipana Mudina Chiamos on the MPP. More no one be immature people. Madness. Now, one or no one. Who am I, a friend? A boss on a crown. Oh, I didn't change Nipana Mudina Chiamos on the MPP. More no one be immature people. Madness. Now, one or no one. Who am I, a friend? A boss on a crown. Oh, I didn't change Nipana Mudina Chiamos on the MPP. More no one be immature people. Madness. What didn't you do my power? So I said, Kennedy Wako Pemwa. MPP. More no one be immature people. Madness. What didn't you do my power? So I said, Kennedy Wako Pemwa. Be immature people. Madness. What didn't you do my power? So I said, Kennedy Wako Pemwa. Because the party and night. Japan can never be MPP. Oh, Pakunya Kessia Swat. Emotional intelligence. And your hypocrite. When you want to sound serious. As I say, a foul say. You too patry, and you won't quarter why you are going to go to the moon. They are breaking the Japan. They are bro. Madness. About Kennedy, a Japan.
Maybe I'm a cat, me see any yasma for Bible cred da hono, the reef, and a Bible ne kaye. Now, the could tell Yankupon asem, the bia a kayen say, a boy may a kayen chi, not no may be a ye no yen yebium. And intina sebio. Okay, Bible, Psalm 14 verse 1, or say, Okwasia ana ojijinchi and the kana kume muso nyankopon ni wo. Bible no ho nkwa de be kai wo se onyame wo ho. Until you cannot forget the word of God. That is why there is evidence of the Yesu beye and you the evidence of onyame nsanwe dwuma. Into kind from Genesis chapter 1, eko see the Revelation last page a kire onyame ne tumi ene de otumi ye en nipa se gina pintin ne ye de reshe onyamu a de onyame aye ne Yesu baba nyame baba ye Yesu Kristo beye no eno ne boaye ema ye kire ye bra ne a yemfom onyankopon a sebi ye somo no. Into evidence is very important, and when it comes to politics, sanyoma we here ebe kaye ebe me hu say sebi ye nyagentwie anaye yenkwasia anase ye nim nyansa se de bia ebe hu evidence no na ye rebe fu ye ho se e wo se eboaye e shape ni ye e guide ye emetumi take the decision a eye papa ebe boaye enti sa Bible na e ma ye nyansa emetumi kai nyame no ensem say ne boaye me kai ho se sa ye nyankwasiafo sa na osono odanwure mu no sebio obi ka kire se sa osono nim nyansa chenye sa na nipa na yedi ne chi no obi ka kire se wabodam na adwene no emu atutuntokuro eno and the guide. History will always guide men, and that is why we are always bringing history back. Yebe kaimo yedie sebi obi besie messengers ye asomafo ye nsam yenu enkuta Bible and enkuta Quran yede asomafo ayaba say yebe chechire nsem na yama oso wakai wo ho nsam ne de na ende de dapono so no enie egim tie enti ene unkwasi from good social media ene me kotok kanea last me hu sa boy bia ana no mbobon ti ana bese me kana asem boy bia ogbi platform no so no minim ni din sa boy ade simu gire se otuko so Mozambique boy bi last we saw some girl bit to we went somewhere and we went to buy food. Can you imagine the food, the amount of kwasia where who area ho ma me na oton wache no Ah, we platform na a good boy, no, honest boy, no, I don't want because only confidence to start his own platform or your only that confidence or your who for the age group of America almost started establishing they have broken away from working for somebody to be paid 200 Ghana cedis. So that's what we're saying. I now not in team, you know. I no any girl be no basa be don't. I you remember we went to some restaurant and we went to buy food. Can you imagine the food cost? I'm baby out in Yanton watch oh dying baby out in Yanton fufu. Eyan forma mo nyam ho sam ye eyan forma entwa mo coat entina baby amote no endidi wo ho na ejimifo na mo didi nkofo achi ekọ baby am ho nso na wo ya wo Islegon ya wo cantonment jimini o sori anopa na afa flask o ma me yedua na watibia gum o kwa na wadi o ho nso now betina social media yeah you know food is expensive and I went somewhere. Can you imagine when I looked at the receipt? Oh, yeni ba o kote aduane a baby aka bitela to aduane. Sha wo ho adenti na mo te kaso anu sori meka je so onye aduane ndi because o sorry o kaso anu wa checking neighborhood nim. Ehun say ha na me budget be so. Kwame despite to sorry a on check kaso aduane or check cantonment baby and the budget be so kwasia o to social media yeah and the budget and the food is expensive so we are not thinking say wo. Small boys and small girls, because you're for Yamam $100 a month. Yamam $50 a month, $30 a month. Money confidence in yourselves. At this point, because you're paying Abama Spanish nibi edin girl nena wo. Now what you wanna camera the boy say, Mike and the boy is saying. Just call a friend and say, I want to start my own platform. Because you're not in second ten, now obi na share no one or so on what an ungrateful bastard no ono na ono obi na nam ena ono ne ho fie na ontumi nka brofo nsisi so se wo no ono se wate ne ho abebie na we do this point na obi ebo din when I will run a page no unim nyansa say you take advantage of the moment unim nyansa take advantage of the moment, create your own platform, build your own life kwasia ehufo you don't have any confidence. Akoya only 15 years of America or confidence in United and you see food and you see where Jimmy your friend says a Scanty you said the end in Koran ye yusumo kwasia we ba no di jantra fo a oba no mam coins na Jimmy for page negu you are the only person holding the page go and put yourself together camera you saying mic you saying ubie page you saying that bastard obi bona na odi nechi also no wejai abebie e ma de na otim na igu. And also no Manchester Assam, also and some for Swedish Noka. Only follow, only BBI. This is the time. Atina is dipping, it has dipped. Nyanko Palmer blessing a krebi, and out we can cause some Kakamani party. Go and build Ghana for young people. You don't have confidence at all. Obano County, only the Sergeant, only the Sergeant, and John Shad and ye. Woo, ya Bema. Oh, Yeniba, did the baby a Humbato? It's this story. Can Oforeta catch the Ghana for say? Obedi di matam nkora we mo nkora betwet your rent sabe tete ye nkora no mo boss ko betuma hwe na ko bizo bewu na we nkora. I'm just giving them an advice. Metuma to camera $10,000 chess as small boy and ato mic as set up studio fa menje ka free no ho eden go and build your life. Tebia we don't mean so ba pe o da ho no pa o ma me no papa na te small Ghana nkora de mo Jimmy o na Jimmy for we use camera. Now me when you come to my other studio, me wa camera Panasonic Sony cameras. Every me wa camera that's worth $20,000. Me to me a chow. Go and build something for yourself. Setup how much does it cost? $7,000, $8,000. Solid setup. You build your life from there. You move the people who love you. Uni confidence. Because where he's out of the system. On to me read it. He cannot read consistently and speak fluent English to make sense. And you know, and I want to say, and don't you get it? When the light dims, you are done. This kind of job, I'm catch young people. I'm not going to do this for another 10 years. At a point, I'm going to get out of the system. Remember, so at a point, I am going to leave the system and do something else. But I'll make sure I build people to take over from me. Until a time, my mama 10 years more. After NDC, Atna Power, 16 years, 24 years, then I make somebody continue from the 24 years. Until as I sit here, I know say a time will come. It does not matter. I will not be the Kevin, and people would see new faces. That is how it is. So I'm adjusting myself. It is a lightly be now to me capitalize also. Make sure say you take the opportunity. But Ghana for are timid and stupid. Our time announce you, and go away and I team. You need to challenge life. You don't want to explore. So I like to go for also. Hey, when I run the page, I cost you about $70. No, I'm an iPhone. iPhone. A man like you are a shwada unantem. You try iPhone. No, I feel was saying, hey, wait, Jimmy. iPhone, you did impache. iPhone. Oko Malaysia, you did impache. Empache. With all due respect, man, this is me so. You did impache. Get someone, build something for yourself. How can you be working with an ungrateful person? Oh no, he was ungrateful to somebody. Now I'm kind of saying, all right, inti calculation I'm a Mama blog is a Diana rough. Tell me, I'm control. I'm control me control there. Can of take a chair say? Say command oman for Kanyan to tum ana Kanya na ye to prize oman fan ka IMF nkrata ho anka IMF program nka ye nya. And I know for a fact that this government is building our energy sector. And somebody no cry and I'm for complaining and I can't hear doom. They are changing transformers. And I'll talk to ECG and the Energy Ministry. Communication is vital. Communication is important. Communicate to the people. Let them know why this is happening to their lights. Maybe the lights are going off. It is not intentional. It is because we are changing transformers. We are overhauling the electricity in Ghana. Communicate to the people. Jinapo, communicate with them. Talk to ECG. Communicate with the people. Let them know what is going on. Let them see, because obuha otiachimota until baby amoya transformer na ontiasie na ne kan do no, you are overhauling the system, you are changing the system, you are repairing the system. So the facts are there. Engage the media. Let the people know the reason why Okana be do Kumase and the join news first started Jandambi. Omatam eya Mike ko Kumase. Ghana politics in bebia en kwasasem starting in start Kumase. Ghana politics in kwasasem wo mu nyina start Kumase. And the join news for free crime. Ako Kumase ko yenko for interview. Oh, Okania no ayana ejina so because they are starting to build a jandam to create an impression. So dum somebody. We all know transformers are being fixed. The ECG company. So communicate. Communication is the whole thing. I know when the communication department or ECG, the Ministry of Energy, this is simple to do. Because join news na cocaine media, no, that is the agenda. Right now, no, NDC for mobile, you are not coming to give any media house money to come and run anything for them. Right now, no, they are aligning with these criminals again. Time and MPP what power no, and the reason why I join news na Wontumi NPP as some say our information is say it was alleged say na omuntua light bill, na omuntua utilities, and na MPP for ja because that was the only thing na emo because no make iska. Inti sa allegation at the it is beginning to look like now no also mutua light bill. Inti you people are going to be their target. They are going to start cooking jandam against you, the government. Your communication should be important. You are working on transformers. You are changing lines. You are building energy sector again. You are making it better. Talk to the people. Into a honor so almost and can you do more? Okay, you catch them say, yeah, young can you wait, but you don't sit there and let some fake news outlet like Joy News go out there and start to create a story. It says Joy News, they are conniving with their MPP. And then you MPP will go and do a press conference. No more for MPP before I can say, some can you know, a jinaso, a wabo smakofa we aba, a queer or catch them say, or your friend a queer a best seat. And I'm telling the government, communication is key. Let the people know what's going on. You are doing transformer change. We are all seeing it. I have the facts. So why are you people not coming out to tell the people? MPP join News Wabeko Kumasi. I'm going for MPP card holders. No matter say, oh, we a cold store. Oh, we would near way. Oh, town say, can you know? Way and no message I am.
A creature, me tetafo. Na me buy me baton fish. Ewo asafo market. Yeah, me buy one wash me. There be no pamisodi or him tea mammy. A Riani and mammy a fufu and you mention your me. A free said, do me say buy me buy the fish. I don't be a sunny aqua to a book. It's in a ban when you come, I'm the a friend of Papa by him, need you. And one is but over those away. And I'm very hard my to be dear. Me bang yes, come, I'm was auntie. Said you man on your doom say. I brought them in a year, if you do so. Me tears me there, make some more. Near moon answer me that from bidding. Mamma, Aday. At the end, I am my wabber, what two mamma want to send me. Mamma, you know, money say. To me, tell me where demonstration and make one mother come some to watch them, mamma. No, whom my boy. Let them say when you're not bad to me, turn fishy. When you see come matter, you are near the. And my baby, never say, and this is one as say. And people for say. Then to mamma and people for none of your crying in I am people. They were back and uncle for the idea of crying in I am people. Me bati yasi baby a tobo and gomodi and mako bu gweni pakura mubugi wadi wa boa. What one and die will be a go on your demonstration. Bibi a must MPP before na and yes any you nipa obo nipa che mudia and your famous sorry. The mamas want me away in your bon and no as a man am kai so me boa. No nyama do bet me better na no one and me why mobo.
Obeka ko the same thing Okumase. Montena ho. Sa na omde akue chamo ye mu 2014 2015. Say cocoa price not drop it. And there was a possibility say you better cocoa bosso. They are timing, they are going to do the same thing. And I'm sending this message to the Energy Minister Jinapo and the ECG boss. You people need to talk to the people. Communicate with them. Let them know what is going on. Because from my information, MPP for any Joy News for Aya Jandambi or Ashanti region. They are going to go to Ashanti region. They are going to go and do what we call a year. Oh, Yaba Ashanti regional, Yaba press conference. Yes, do Musaba, no my free equi chamo. And so IMF 2023, NPP catch say, a ya kania yabe 2 minutes dear. Sir Oman fan kanwa IMF deal na embasso. It is under your 2 kanyemwa. And this in 2 kanyem. And this is crab wow. And into me who sa akoko kontwana odi samira beifo na chi say or plant wakoto kania 1000 abuofunu o boss yire Jimmy fo no beifo no time na omode ade we ko IMF say omunji ntum so mbetoto nkania mu aboden no na nkwase afo mudi ne chi kutakuta Panasonic. So the reality is there. Mama MPP for lead Jandambia or Ghana omuni message. The NPP as a political party, candidate or a chaff, or a daft, or a clueless, or a joker. He's just an imposter. He's not an economist, or a fake. Only ideas or a junkie and junk. They don't have any message. What they are going to do is what they are doing. Hey, where see? Hey, John Mahama de Wanyadi. Hey, John Mahama Sheboha. They don't have message. Ghana for. So you people as a government, don't give these people the room. Communicate with them. One thing I like about this government, you have been truthful to the people. The same thing. And a cocoa board mistake on here, no. On say Enrichi. Kojo upon Kumakotina TV. So as I catch a Ghana for say, I reforms now. A year ran the abe ni cocoa board for any finance minister. What the abano. A year reforms how many IMF can want them. What's it? So they know, said the decision the NDC is taking today, no, is the right decision. But Sakwasiano, Onim say I say I before the toilet. But Onim so we Jiminti, on kind of Korean Chiromo. Upon Chroma, I got na TV3 was a day. I catch Chiromo say, oh, new reforms now are to forcing. Every day say IMF take some new look at things to change things, you know. Kojo upon Chroma go catch a TV so can say, oh, sa reforms in a day. Time and no more bemuno. Nan your man sainty IMF, omni IMF can want some dada. Now only IMF can sa didn't want some dada. I didn't and the reforms, you know. Abandon the reforms, you know, air to Kwemwa. What say NDC for Eddie Coco Fosika. Messiah, get me the video. I had an end of Jinaka say IMF for Eddie Coco Fosika. Because one amoka say sa decision na NDC abaye taking in there no conversation na money IMF for have ya more implementing into end no NDC aba no mu sa reforms no ehia adenti na ko gina parliament ko kache Ghana for say NDC for ebu koko for unim nyansa opom kruma jimi eni jam kache say the mistake Kokobo did was that their communication was bad. Randia benanga to unsu nyansa ne pride na ebe destroy no. Onya correct guy. Randy Abbey. Onya correct guy. Onimnyansa communication. Lack of communication. Ene de omabedruha. Because you should have known this. This should have been done. But don't say ne nkwasi ade na woni tizimu no. Ene ne attitude bi no. Ene na MPP for ede gina so ede ye ne de omo ye no. Because they should have communicated this. They should have done it earlier. But they sat there and the MPP people, they made sure say, Omo boni omo dino, omo fast. And then omko di, omko fa MPP for ko jina nwure muso me kokwe kuafo. Na yede na later Musa Chwa mo beka kire say, oh, reforms na asesa nyoma no, eye mo na money IMF start here. Kojo pon kroma, not TV so no oka. Because onim say den, onim say the constituents, omo ntebrofo, ebi ni kro omo ni bi, omo ni obola so. Enti obedran kran no keka nkwasi asem no asorokọ. So let's get these things right. This government, you need to get your communications right. You need to get things right. You are doing everything perfect. Your communication, and I'm talking about respective agencies, respective ministries. Get your communication working. Because you are working, but you are not able to communicate with the people. Messias, you are working, but you are not communicating with the people. Inti obiatu futrogu system na man forging say no correct until we come and explain things. But the fact of the case, and they say this is what they created before they left office, and they know the damage they have caused. MPP for muye de bebrino. The question to them, and they say, inti yen NDC atikoko prize inti yen tuma ba umiana. Inti yenya den suddenly 1 year mu free power no mabe hu nyansama. 1 year mu free power Ghana problem nyina munim solution. Inti yenya den sisi a yen nyina yen sisa ya adwene. Na yen to aba ma ba umia no meye den. Inti say the problem of Ghana nda ba umia na betuma solve. I'm asking the MPP people. Send the problem of Ghana nde. Into me some say cocoa na yate sunde. What price I call for my yate sunde or Ghana? Ebe affected the next season no. Kabaomia na power. And kabaomia be den kokwa ko bobesia. Na nkoda betua cocoa fo no. Na nke besia no asa swele. Munim nyansa. Because sometimes we tell my argument adenti na aban na nkobo besia nkoma cocoa kuafo. Aban nkobo besia mbre cocoa kuafo. Na ewia na asa kogina cocoa kuafo so mutua besia no. Abra aban betumi ai ahyehyɛ nyoma aban ho behenha no kokokweni nso yambu no na aban enko abonten kobo besiana because your argument and before argument nyina say sika ni wokra or say aban ko pesika onko pesika wen. The idea is aban ko pesika onko eden na say all the argument is adentina NDC aban beso obebo besia NDC aban so onbo besia oni kokokwiafo bekasa mo mate ase Entina make us oko Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana for yetua koko kuafo yi eche omu nyina. Enu ntina ende koko kuafo di bi kasa no omu ntumi emfa koko ni Cote d'Ivoire because omu say ebo na Cote d'Ivoire no e wo form chen Ghana. That alone justifies the government's decision. That alone, it justifies the government decision. That means say, enye kra, payday. Cocoa growers or cocoa farmers in Ghana, they are paid more than their colleagues in Cote d'Ivoire. They are paid more than their colleagues in Nigeria, than their colleagues in Cameroon. That means the government is working. Nana yeka se omana say, yebeto aba, eye aban foforo, emoma bano. Na mo just say, aban no mo ba no mo be den, omo be bobesia, aba be good than so. No. I will say, say, Nyoma ain't yet to say first na kwasiafo bi te so no problem here baby and ne akobo besia. It doesn't work like that. We need to find other means to solve our problems. Ebi ho beka, but it is for the short period. Ebi so ebe day ebe ho be chiro mo kakra. That is how you build. Na yabeto problem. Ye nyina ye sesa ye nsa. Ya to etia ban na ban foforo ba. De ne ye ne dada na ema ekabeda ye so eno ane yensa nye. No. We are not going to do that. And I think Antoa Banankeye. Because Ghana, MPP ni catch them say, I buy pesikama koko kuenino. And in the past, the only way I buy pesika say I buy eko bobesia. Inti I buy bobesia, I buy say no. Because besiana ya bwegu are too much. I buy say resetting on ban sambe boss abesiano. Inti argument and say adentina I buy anko bobesia. Into a sisi koko kuafo. Into agenda nyina say oh bo besia say mine inti chinchine aban nkobo besia NDC aban nkobo besia betua koko kuafo but NDC aban make sure say sika na obetua ma koko kuafo no so onsisi omo. That is where we are today. That is a fact. So let's not make it look like say I to say yeti hanu yenim dia yekeka. These are facts edaho. Huh? The behind this number, the behind this number. Every day, and this number power, Emma fix the problem. No, every day, and this number fix the problem. About energy, or say NDC ba car power, a Mary, doom so static of 4 time, or kofa software go akosombo. And this also mobile number fix doom so. Ya can Ghana interchange sakesi wa hanyina. I was say Mahama atamo so mobile number fix it. Just the behind this number fix it. Adeng. En kwasiafo free power. Ye want the papa biya. $100 million. Omde ko to amena. Emankofo we in restaurant party TV so abomoto powder be kire nyansa. And when I see these communicators for MPP on TV, do you think the people are foolish?
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. You know it, I know it.